Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study about redundant information in tuples and update anomalies. Now, see these two base relations, employee and department. Now, see this employee-department relation, which is the result of applying the natural join operation on employee and department relations. Let us compare the space used by these two base relations, employee and department, with the space used by the base relation employee-department. In employee-department relation, the attribute values of a particular department are repeated for every employee who works for that department. For example, see here, attribute values of department number 5 are stored twice in employee-department relation because there are two employees who work in department number 5. Now see in these two base relations, employee and department. In department relation, each department's information is stored only once. Only the department number is repeated in the employee relation for each employee who works in that department. Storing natural joins of base relations causes an additional problem called update anomalies. Update anomalies can be classified into insertion anomalies, deletion anomalies, and modification anomalies. First, we will discuss about insertion anomalies. Suppose we want to insert an employee tuple in employee-department relation. Then we must correctly enter all the attribute values of the department for which that employee works, so that they are consistent with the corresponding values for that department in other tuples of employee-department relation. Now, if we have to insert a new department that has no employee in employee-department relation, then the only way to do this is to put null values in the attributes of employee. This will violate the entity integrity for employee-department relation because employee ID is the primary key of employee-department relation. When the first employee is assigned to this department, then we do not need this tuple with null values anymore. This problem will never occur in case of base relations employee and department because we will insert the department in department relation whether any employee works in that department or not. Next is deletion anomalies. Now suppose from employee-department relation we delete an employee tuple that represents the last employee working for a particular department. Then the information concerning that department will also be lost from the database. For example, This employee tuple represents the last employee working for department number 7. If we delete this tuple, then the information concerning the department number 7 will also be lost from the database. But in case of employee and department base relations, this problem will not occur because employee tuples and department tuples are stored separately. Next is modification anomalies. Suppose we have to change the name of manager of department number 5 in employee department relation. Then we will have to update the tuples of all employees who work in department number 5. This problem will not occur in case of employee and department based relations, because whenever we have to change the value of any attribute of a particular department, then we will have to update only one tuple which represents that department in department relation. Thank you very much.